Well, we're down to the last 2 minutes of trade, so let's quickly look at the final rates that are coming in. There's been a bit of a pullback on the Nifty. So since we're complaining so much about it being a bit of a damn squib day, maybe the index decided to oblige us because we've got at least 100 on the board. Nigel's been looking out for all the centuries in the test match. So, well, you've got 100.
I don't want to see any centuries today.
As of now, yeah, you don't want to see this time around.
Yeah. I want to see wickets go.
Absolutely. But what we have is 100 points on the Nifty. So let's talk about the winners first. The leaders of the up move today: Geo Finance, Shriram Finance. There's Adani Ports that's managed a 3% up move. Banks have done pretty okay, actually. The Bank Nifty has outperformed the Nifty with a gain of almost 0.8%. Kotak Mahindra Bank, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, even SBI, all of them contributing on the way up. L&T is the one stock from the large cap space that's contributed on the upside as well. And then you have, in between, some of the metal names, Hindalco, JSW Steel, because it's a global risk on. Some of the metal stocks did well as well. On the flip side, with a 10% drop in crude oil prices, ONGC is down 3%. Cool off in a lot of the IT names. They could not sustain their mojo. So HCL Tech, Tech Mahindra, Infosys. The IT stocks pretty much sold off, explained how the Nifty cooled off as well. But Nigel, not too bad for mid-caps today.
Well, there were some stocks that were absolutely on fire. You pull up Bajaj Consumer, the stock was up 20%. The street is sensing some kind of development out there. Enviro Infra, that was up close to 11%. JM Financial, up 7.5% in today's trading session. From the Lloyd group of companies, you had Lloyd Enterprises, a stock we don't talk about very often, but now it's more than $1 billion in terms of market cap. That one, in fact, was up close to around 7.5%. And, post what happened with Lloyd Metal, the street seems to be turning its attention to the other smaller Lloyd Group companies like Lloyd Enterprises, as well as, the other smaller one as well, Lloyd Engineering, I think so. Well, a few more stocks that did well, the OMCs, HPCL, SAIL, Sagility, all of them moved higher on very, very large volumes in trade today. So that was the market for you. A good start to trade, we couldn't build on, and maybe a bit of a disappointing close, though the Nifty goes home with a gain of around 100 points. The Nifty Bank, though, quite rock solid, up close to around 400 points. But the big money was made in the broader markets as the number of stocks advancing were way more than the number of stocks that were declining. We'll wrap up on this edition of Closing Bell. Stay with us, though. Markets Forward comes up next.